Welcome to the Day of English, and today we will try to know that how a man can be the president of India as well as who is the man who can be the president of USA. Here we will try to know this both country that who can be eligible to the election in the president of India. Let's start the class. First, we will discuss on India that what is the criteria, what is the eligibility to become the president of India. Then here it is written some criteria. If a man fulfill all these criteria, he will be able to participate in the election of president in India. What is the criteria? First, he should be the citizen of India. If a man is the citizen of India and his age is minimum 35 years, he can be eligible, he will be eligible in the election of president. Along with these two criteria, he will have to eligibility like a member of Lok Sabha, but he should not be the member of Lok Sabha, even though he should have the eligibility like a member of Lok Sabha, but he should not be the member of Lok Sabha. Note my point, he should not be the member of Lok Sabha, but he should have the eligibility like a member of Lok Sabha. And next, he should have to fulfill this criteria. If a man fulfill all these criteria, then he will be able to participate in the election of president in India. The next criteria is he should have minimum 50 supporter and 50 proposal MLAs or MP who supports him. If I say in a simple language, a man should have minimum 100 MLAs or MP who supports him to participate in the election. And along with this, he will have to pay minimum 15,000 rupees in the RBI as parting in the election. And if he got minimum 1/6 part of the total valid vote, if he got minimum 1/6 part of the total valid vote and he fell in the election, then the RBI will return him 15,000 rupees. But if he can't get if he can't get 1/6 part of the total valid vote, the RBI will not return him the money. Before 1997, there was a system in this criteria. What was the system? It was this, that if a man have only 4 supporters, and he will have to pay 2,500 rupees in RBI, he will be able to participate in the election. But in 1997, in the Act of President Election 1952, it was amended that a man can have minimum 100 MLAs or MP who supports him to the election of president, and he will have to pay minimum 15,000 rupees in the RBI. So this system will be sufficient for him to participate in the election. And next criteria, he should not be holding any office of profit under the government. If a man fulfill all these criteria, then he will be able to participate in the election of president in India. And if he won in the election, then he will be the president of India. And now we will discuss that who is the man or how a man can be the president of USA. Let's start this class. Here, if a man is native citizen of USA, and his age is minimum 35 years, he will be eligible for this post. And here it is written that a man have minimum age 35, as well as here it is written that a man have minimum 35 years old. This age criteria is equal India and Pakistan. The age criteria in India and in USA is equal, and he will have to spend minimum 14 years in USA. If a man wants to become the president of USA, he will have to fulfill these two criteria. Along with these two criteria, he will have to fulfill these two criteria. Here the first criteria is saying that he will have to spend his life minimum 14 years in USA, but it is not compulsory that he will spend his life continually 14 years in USA. Whether he spend continually or not, but lastly he will have to spend 14 years in USA. And after this he will have to the member of Republican or Democrats party. If a man wants to become the president of USA, he will have to the member of Republican or Democrats party. Both of one, he will have to the member of both of one party. Because in the election of president, these two party will participate in the election, and who won in this election, he will be the president of USA, and he take oath to 20 January in the leap years. I hope this class will be more knowledgeable for you. Thank you for watching my video.